Hey everyone, it's Steve here from Best Agency with your Tuesday 2-minute drill for January 13th, 2026. Hope everyone's having a great start to their week. A couple of quick updates for you. First, Banner has changed their name back to Banner. So they were Legal in General for a while, and now they are rebranding to go back to the Banner brand. Anything prior to today, January 13th, any forms you had, any branding that you may have used, all needs to be updated and changed for compliance purposes. So if you have any old forms, get rid of them. Reach out to us. We'd be happy to get you the new stuff and send it over to you. While we're talking about Banner, also want to make you aware that they do have a term to term program. If you have a term policy or wrote a term policy within the last 4 years, you can replace that policy or extend the policy with a new one to the extend duration of the term without any additional underwriting. So, great program there. Reach out to us. We'd love to walk you through and see if your client is a fit for that program as well. Also, wanted to remind everybody that Best Agency does process and does have access to a multitude of annuity companies. So if you're looking for a place to write your annuity business, don't forget about us. We love to help you there as well. And finally, this Thursday, we are hosting a webinar on IUL, Index Universal Life Products, and we're going to dive into them and things to look for and how to illustrate and all that fun stuff. So you don't want to miss that. That's going to be presented by Kasey Gammons. He's the Director of Product and Market Analysis over at Libra Insurance Partners. Should be a great presentation. That's, again, this Thursday on the 15th at 2 p.m. Eastern. If you have not received an invitation, let us know. Be happy to send it over to you. And finally, if you're not already, please follow us on all of our social media platforms. We are on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channel as well. If you do follow all four, call in, let us know. We'd love to have that conversation with you as well. So hope everyone's having a great week. We'll look forward to seeing you soon, and we'll talk to you when we do.